If you're looking to add pop-up widgets to your website, I have the solution for you. It's a no-code solution that is super easy to implement. It's called Claspo, and I really like the editing features, so let's go check it out right now. Hey, what's up everyone? My name's George, and this is Claspo. Right now, it's on a lifetime deal, so we definitely have to check it out. Now, right now, it starts off at $49 for the lifetime deal, and let me show you what that is going to get you. So the $49 deal is license tier 1, and it gives you 100,000 page views per month. Be aware that if you have a lot of traffic on your website, this might not be the license tier for you, okay? You also get unlimited active widgets, 2 domains, 2 users, and no Claspo branding. If you need more page views and more domains, jump into license tier 2, 3, and all the way up to 5 for 5 million page views per month, which is a whole lot. Plus, you get unlimited everything here except for the page views. So just take that into consideration. Now, Claspo is super easy to implement. In my case, I installed it on WordPress, and you can install a plugin in case you don't want to mess with the actual script that you have to add coding. This is the easiest route for it. And if you have a PHP site, you do have to add the script. So in this case, I've added a spinning wheel, and if I click on it, it's going to open up the widget here, and I have a spinning wheel that's going to provide me a coupon code once I add my email here. So let's go ahead and just spin it for now for testing purposes. Go ahead and spin it. And it's going to spin the wheel, and I decide what percentage these codes are going to be provided with. So 5% was promo_5. So that is the coupon code for this. Click on it, copy it, and here we go. We got a nice looking widget that's super easy to implement. Now, what I really like about Claspo is the editing features for that widget. Now, before I show you that, let me show you the sponsor for this video, which is Hostinger. So if you plan to launch a WordPress site or a PHP site, I really do recommend their BPS plans. So if you want to check it out, go to the link in the description, go to hosting, BPS hosting, and we're going to be able to find their BPS plans that are really affordable for the amount of resources that they provide you. So let me go ahead and select this one, which is the most popular one. And you're going to see the price drop once you add my coupon code. Now, the first thing that Hostinger is going to ask you is how many months do you want to pay in advance? I recommend 24 months because you're going to lock in the lowest renewal price, plus you're going to be good to go for 24 months, all right? Now over here, click on have a coupon code. Just go ahead and add my coupon code, which is SaaSMaster, and apply it. The price is going to drop even lower than what it said before. So now it's $150 with 98 cents for 24 months. So that is really affordable for the limits that you're going to get. Okay, so let's go into Claspo. As I mentioned before, editing these widgets and creating them is super easy to do with Claspo. So if I go to add a new widget, and I can go ahead and start from scratch and just do everything manually, which I really don't recommend. There's no point in wasting time. I would definitely recommend template library. So go to template library, and they have a bunch of available templates available here that we can select from, which we can edit every single aspect of these widgets. Now, I've seen other pop-up systems that just let you add a few things here and there, but in this case, they let you edit practically everything, all right? So let me go ahead and just select this one as a random use case. And before I go ahead and use this template, I can understand how it works. So for example, there's a sign up process. What happens is success. There's a message, already subscribed, and the error, and the mobile view, color scheme, etc. All right. So in this case, we're going to use this template. Let's just say we liked it and it just looks fine, right? Now, this is where I think Claspo really shines, which is their editing feature. If I click on any of these elements, I can go ahead, for example, and change the icon for these little GIFs. I can go ahead and click on this area, and I can change what it says here, the text. I can click on the play button and I can change it. But it's just not as simple as that. There's also components that I can add to this. So for example, if I want to add for the phone number, I just bring it inside of here. I mean, that's crazy that they provide you these fields that you can use inside of these widgets, which I think is really awesome. In case I want to use the spinner here, I can go ahead and do so and just go ahead and remove the other feature. I mean, I like having all these available options when I go ahead and edit these pop-up widgets, which I don't find in other editors, okay? Now, I know I do say that a lot, but I really don't see that, okay? Now, you also have the success message, which we can edit again. We can change the promo codes. There's the options for all of this. So for example, let's just go ahead and understand how the promotion works for the spinner and this. So it's kind of the same concept, but it changes a bit. In this case, there's 3 gifts, and we can edit the reward, okay? So in this case, I can personalize the chances to win these promo codes. So the bigger the discount, the less chance they're gonna be able to win. So So in this case, there's a 10% chance that the promo code 20% is going to pop up. But if I want to raise those chances, I can turn this into 20, or if I want to lower the chances, I can say, you know what, only 2% because it's a 50% discount, which is really not common. So I can decide how these will appear and then add the promo code for this. All right. Plus, I really like the way this is structured because it's just super easy to understand and creating how the promo code is going to work. Now, if you want to preview this, let me go ahead and remove the phone number. So just for testing purposes, let's go ahead and preview it and click it on the I button. And I am going to click on one of these prices to see what I'm going to get. So for example, I'll select this one. Let me go ahead and add the email really quickly here and play. Now I get to click on the price and I got a 50% coupon code. So that's how you're going to test it. Now there's several options available for each one of these sections by clicking on these elements, and you got the section for each one of these that you can change the style, the font, the sizing, the colors, just a whole lot of things, plus all these fields available. I definitely think this is definitely worth checking out and using because you won't find something like this on a lifetime deal. So I definitely think you should check this out. So if you want to grab this deal, I'll be leaving the link provided in the description, and you can go ahead and go through all the templates and see if it's the right fit for you, because there's a 60-day money back guarantee in case you want to test that out. And if you don't like it, just go ahead and refund it. So that is Claspo, and this is a wrap.